Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of nutrition and its impact on our daily lives. Today, we are diving into nutrition tips for better sleep, increased energy, a calm mind, and a healthy body. Nutrition plays a crucial role in not just fueling our bodies, but also in optimizing our overall well-being. In this video, we'll be sharing practical and actionable tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine to enhance your sleep quality, elevate your energy levels, achieve a sense of mental tranquility, and support your overall health goals. Are you tired of feeling groggy in the morning, struggling to stay focused throughout the day, or battling with stress and anxiety? If so, you are in the right place. Whether you're a busy professional, a student juggling multiple responsibilities, a parent trying to keep up with the demands of family life, or simply someone looking to prioritize their health and well-being, the tips we'll be sharing are designed to be practical, easy to implement, and tailored to suit a variety of lifestyles. So if you're ready to take control of your sleep, energy, mental clarity, and overall health, then stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to unlocking a healthier and more vibrant you. Have you ever wondered why some nights you drift off effortlessly into a deep slumber while on other nights, sleep eludes you? The answer may lie in the relationship between nutrition and sleep quality. Let us delve into how the food we eat can influence our ability to rest and rejuvenate, and discover ways to optimize our dietary choices for better sleep. Tryptophan, an amino acid found in foods like turkey, nuts, and seeds, is a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, neurotransmitters that regulate sleep-wake cycles. Melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone, helps signal to the body that it is time to wind down and prepare for rest. To harness the sleep-promoting benefits of these nutrients, consider incorporating magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains into your diet. Aim to have your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to allow for proper digestion and prevent discomfort that may disrupt sleep. Avoiding stimulants like caffeine and sugary foods close to bedtime can help calm your nervous system and prepare your body for rest. Dehydration can lead to increased cortisol levels, a stress hormone that can interfere with your ability to relax and fall asleep. Make it a habit to stay hydrated throughout the day, but be mindful of reducing fluid intake close to bedtime to minimize disruptions during the night. By paying attention to the nutrients you consume, the timing of your meals, and your hydration levels, you can create a sleep-friendly diet that supports restful nights and energized mornings. Do you find yourself reaching for that extra cup of coffee or a sugary snack to power through the day? What if we told you that the key to sustained energy and vitality lies in the foods you eat? Let us explore the world of energy-boosting foods that can enhance your stamina, combat fatigue, and keep you feeling vibrant throughout the day. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, provide a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, offering a consistent source of fuel for your body and brain. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil not only provide long-lasting energy, but also support brain function and overall well-being. Consider snacks like Greek yogurt with berries, a handful of almonds, and an apple, or hummus with carrot sticks for a balanced combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider incorporating hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and citrus fruits into your meals and snacks. By incorporating energy-boosting foods into your daily diet, you can fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive and conquer each day with vitality and vigor. Finding moments of peace and tranquility can feel like a luxury in a world filled with constant stimulation and demands. Omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins B are key nutrients that play a crucial role in brain health and mood regulation. B vitamins, particularly B6, B9, folate, and B12, are essential for neurotransmitter synthesis and mood regulation, making them vital for maintaining a positive outlook and emotional stability. Incorporate foods rich in these brain-boosting nutrients into your daily meals, such as a spinach and berry smoothie for breakfast, a grilled salmon salad for lunch, and a quinoa stir-fry with colorful veggies for dinner. Take the time to savor each bite, chew slowly, and appreciate the flavors and textures of your food. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your nutrition for mental clarity and emotional well-being. To achieve optimal health and wellness, it is essential to prioritize the nutrients and dietary habits that support your body's overall function and vitality. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber is fundamental to supporting optimal body function and promoting overall well-being. Vitamins and minerals play crucial roles in various bodily processes, from energy production to immune function, while fiber aids in digestion promotes satiety, and supports gut health. Paying attention to portion sizes, listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and varying your food choices can help prevent overeating, promote nutrient adequacy, and support a healthy relationship with food. Mindful eating practices, such as eating slowly, savoring each bite, and being present during meals, can also foster a deeper appreciation for the nourishment your food provides and enhance your overall dining experience. Embracing whole, unprocessed foods as the foundation of your diet can yield long-term health benefits and contribute to a strong and resilient body. Whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that support optimal health and protect against chronic diseases. By prioritizing whole foods over processed and refined options, you can fuel your body with the nutrients it craves and lay the groundwork for a lifetime of wellness. As we come to the end of our journey, exploring the profound impact of nutrition on our sleep, energy levels, mental well-being, and overall health, it's clear that the food we eat plays a pivotal role in shaping our daily experiences and long-term well-being. Let us recap the key points in this video and empower you to take actionable steps towards a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants into your diet, you can support your body's natural rhythms, enhance your vitality, and cultivate a sense of inner peace and balance. Whether it's optimizing your meal choices for better sleep, incorporating energy-boosting foods for sustained vitality, or prioritizing brain-boosting nutrients for mental clarity, each slight change you make can have a significant impact on your well-being. If you find this video informative and inspiring, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family to spread awareness about the importance of nutrition for well-being. Together, we can empower others to prioritize their health and unlock the potential for a life filled with energy, balance, and vitality. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of nutrition's impact on our lives. Here is to a healthier, happier you.